Roghnu's data anomaly analytics helps companies proactively monitor their Sage Intacct environment for best practices in risk management. In this transaction growth report, it lists tables and record count differences between 30-day increments. So as you can see in the matrix across the top, we have the 30-day increments across the rows and the tables and the database across the columns. And then the bars or values here in the table pertain to the deltas or differences or the transaction increases or decreases in the tables. So as we can see here for GL resolve table, there's significant increases in transactions in these 30-day increments. So that might be something to look into. And then across the bottom, we have trends over time broken out by the 30-day increment groupings. And the red and green here does not pertain to negative, positive, or bad, good. The red is the lowest data point and the green is the highest data point. So this is helpful for seeing increases or decreases over time in the different 30-day increment periods. And then we have a related report, the transaction volume change report. And this includes both volumes of and deltas between the 30-day increments. So in the table on the top, we have the volumes, and in the table on the bottom, we have the differences or deltas. And then we've included sparklines here to make it that much easier to see trends over time. So it's important to see transaction growth in your data tables for a number of reasons. Sudden spikes or drops can indicate issues like duplicate transactions, missing loads, process failure, or even fraudulent manipulation of data.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.